Hello my lovebirds, this is Irina with Carlsbadphoto, and today's wedding is gonna be in Chula Vista in the Woods Clubhouse. Right now I'm just stopped by the venue before I'm going to the bridal suite where the bride is getting ready in the hotel nearby. So I'm just gonna give you a quick overview of the venue. This is a ceremony site. It's closed, but it's gonna be ready pretty soon.
Which I'm very grateful about. Today we're witnessing love manifesting itself in the best shape, form as ever. Today, people come to weddings because they believe in love and they believe in a moment. Nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Mendoza Hinojosa.
So looks good. 1, 2, 3. Wedding is over and I am a little bit tired. It was an 8-hour wedding, so please check out this video, follow up, leave a comment, and don't forget to visit my website carlsbadphoto.com. Bye my lovebirds.